Well, hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm still hanging in there. This is one of the radios from Jeff's collection. This is an RCA RHH-17, and he says it works fine as is. Didn't have to get anything done to it. It's 8 transistor, AM only. Nice case. Earphone jack, tuning. Oh, this is on-off volume. This is on-off volume. This is tuning up here. And then there's the tuning dial. Take it out of the case. I don't remember. I think it uses a 9-volt battery. I can't get it open. Oh, wait. Yeah, I think it's a 9-volt battery. I'm having to use a different camera stand, which I just kicked, and the holder blocks 90% of what the camera is seeing, so I can't tell what I'm showing you. But anyway, here we go. It's turned on. Well, it's a good thing to do. Okay, we're at the bottom of the band. Not too tinny.
Who on this roster can
It's a 1966 vintage.
Yeah, they need AD. It's a simple.
It's really stiff tuning. And of course, he wants me to face it that way.
Is what he's saying to you and to me. I've freed you.
Yep, I went the wrong way. Going up the band, AM only.
Individuals and businesses with tax problems, listen carefully. Do you feel like you're
Doing a pretty good job.
For Houston, Nico Collins could return this week. He missed the last 4 games on IR because he had a hamstring injury.
Dead because you're brown skin.
It's all Republicans. So Bob's choice for chief of staff. Plus the latest tally with control.
Doing a pretty good job. That's it. It's interesting that late at night and early in the morning on AM especially, the same show will be on different stations. So that I noticed that just now that lady was on various stations, frequencies, same show. That's it. Not too bad a quality. Yeah. Not bad at all. And the case is in perfect condition. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells not Amazon, oh my gosh. Whoops, I should have said that. Tells YouTube that I'm giving you shows that you enjoy. Have a great day. Bye-bye.